Yo, what's good, Learning Machines? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing fantastic today. This right here is in 27 days, $81,000. But more importantly, in this video, I want to talk about how you guys can literally get cheap clicks with these websites right here I'm going to list. I'm not affiliated with any of these websites, and these websites can literally bring you tons of traffic for extremely cheap. It's not strict at all. You don't need to make any ads. All you got to do, you literally have a link, and then you literally promote that link on these sites, and they send you literally, I'm talking, so it's like in tier one countries, like $2. On Facebook, it's like $30 plus, okay, per 1,000 people who see your ad. These people actually land on your website, and for $2, basically around that, you get 1,000 people. So you spend $50, you can end up getting like 25,000 people, okay? Actual targeted people for whatever country you want to do. You just can't target certain specific interests like, oh, they like cooking, oh, they like working out or something. The powerful thing here, guys, is this traffic's the cheapest in the world. So I'm going to give you guys ideas in this video what to do. I'm not going to log into my accounts. I don't want to have to blur out a million different things, but the whole point of this video is to inspire you and give you big insights and ideas of what you can do with this traffic. So this is Exoclick. They're a huge adult network. They literally get billions and billions of people. They have access to billions and billions of people to show ads to. They have tons of pop under traffic. X videos is one of their biggest sites they have under them that you can advertise on. It's insane. At the end of this video, I will share with you guys how you can take advantage of the pop under traffic and how you can actually crush it, okay? So this next one's called PlugRush. It's a very good site here for traffic, and they will send you endless amounts, okay? And all these sites, they quality check. The only one I'm not positive about is Juicy Ads. We'll talk about that in a second. So some of my favorite ones, I'll actually share towards the end here. But this is PlugRush. This is Juicy Ads right here. They're for adult. They got pop unders. They got banners, direct media buys. Direct media buys is just, you can just get an ad on a site that's getting millions of impressions per month, okay? Usually adult related. All of this is adult related. And the thing is, you can promote any offer out there with adult websites like this. It's so cool. This right here is Propeller Ads. Propeller Ads is freaking awesome. They're one of the biggest sites out there by far, okay? And like they're the biggest. They have both adult kind of, but mainly mainstream traffic, which is freaking awesome. They have by far the most pop under traffic. They also have push placements. They also have native ads, but the push is what you really want to do, which is called on-click ads is what they call it. They literally have 1 billion people. That's more than all of these. I think Zero Park is pretty close to what they're doing. And Zero Park has options for both non-adult and also adult traffic. So if you want to promote like a sweepstake offer, or you want to promote anything outside of adult, you can literally do non-adult traffic, and you can do adult traffic and still see success because you're literally getting so many eyeballs, so many people clicking. You have the opportunity. All you need to do is have a really good offer. So this one's called Zero Park. And the last one I'm going to show you guys is called Rich Push. Rich Push is a newer one. I don't think they have as much inventory, but they do have a really good platform, okay? All of these platforms are very good. Now I'm going to share with you guys which ones I use the most, okay? So the one I use the very most is actually Propeller Ads, and they're not really adult traffic. They're like mainstream traffic, but pop under. So they're really powerful and effective. Their quality is insane. Their prices are fantastic. So I work with them the most. The next one I work with is PlugRush the most, okay? I have a lot of experience with PlugRush. I've ran with Juicy Ads before. They're decent. And I like Exoclick, my third favorite, okay? So that's what I think about all of them. Now I want to share with you basically how to promote like with these traffic sources, okay? Because these traffic sources, they're considered the lowest quality in the world, but they're not really, okay? Because these are real people on these sites that are literally clicking and landing on your page. You have a few seconds to basically grab their attention and create desire for an offer. Do you realize how big of an opportunity this is, guys? It's insane. This is one of my favorite opportunities in the whole marketing realm of online everything, okay? So you have only a few seconds. You could traffic arbitrage, where you take the traffic and you just resell it for more money. You can do that. How you do that is you can partner with other sites, or you can use Google AdSense type stuff. You could use other ad platforms that basically want your traffic. You just resell it to them. You can put together a really powerful link with a tracker, and you can basically push people to a ton of different offers all of a sudden. You could send people to your website where you have good content that they'll like, and then you just link to a bunch of offers there. Or you could just literally direct link to the hottest offer right now, like the offer that's converting the very, very most, like wildfire. Okay, so if we go back here to Crack Revenue, you'll see huge offers here, huge. Okay, all these offers are massive, and you just promote one of them and you'll crush it. Okay, so I've gone into in my other videos which ones I promote and stuff like this, but literally you could just promote this one right here. This is a game, so you could do adult traffic, pop under for super cheap, and literally just get tons of people to see this site, and then you send them to a good lander for the site. You could send people to this one called Jerkmate. You could send people to any new dating site that's out there. You want a new offer that hasn't been promoted very much, actually. That's the whole goal. You don't have to do Crack Revenue. Crack Revenue is not the only thing I use. I use Max Bounty, I use Crack Revenue, I use City Ads, I use Digistore, ClickBank a little bit, those two right there. I use a platform called Sell Health. I also make my own offers with PLR products. So you can do all those things. You could make $1 million with just one platform, guys. Okay, I'm on only a few platforms, but I'm signed up on tons of other platforms, and I haven't even promoted on tons of other platforms. Okay, but having them is powerful. So you find out of all these platforms you have access to offers for, you literally just find a really no-brainer offer, guys, and you just start promoting it for super cheap. This is the number one recommended thing for beginners in affiliate marketing and making money online, because the traffic's so cheap. You can test super fast. You don't need to make ad creatives or be an expert marketer. All you got to do is pay for pop under traffic and flip cash quick, essentially flipping cash fast, because paid ads is the fastest way to make money, because you're literally just paying for the money to come back. You just have to be profitable. So it's so easy for beginners, because if you use an adult spy tool, I give you access to my adult spy tool. You can check out down below. And use adult spy tool, you see what are the biggest offers out there right now for pop under, and then you just promote them also, and you make a bunch of money. Okay, and then you just keep going, repeat. Okay, you can make your own offer and make it such a no-brainer. You could build a huge email list super fast, just giving a bunch of great free stuff in exchange for emails. Build a massive list and start promoting more offers in the back end. So this can change a lot of people's lives. I hope you guys freaking love this video. I'll see you learning machines later. Peace out.